Hi guys, today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Nadula Hair, and today I'm working with this wear and go wig, so which basically means everything has been done for you. The lace comes pre-cut, it comes pre-plucked as well, so you can literally install this wig straight out of the box and you don't need to glue it down as well. It's 100% glueless. So it comes with an elastic band, and it also comes with a breathable wig cap, which is perfect because you guys know the weather's getting warmer. So this is what the wig looks like. This is the Jerry curly wig. It's a 24-inch wig and it's 150 density. This wig is definitely perfect for summer and it's very beginner friendly. So if you're someone who struggles with installing your wigs or cutting the lace on your lace front wigs, then this is definitely the wig for you. So if you want to see how I installed this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. So right now I'm just adjusting the elastic band that comes with the wig, just to show you guys that you can actually wear this wig totally glueless. You don't have to glue it down. You don't have to use any hair mousse, any hairspray. So this is what the wig looks like without me gluing it down, but I am going to go ahead and glue it down. So the lace came pre-cut. I didn't have to cut the lace on the wig. It came pre-plucked as well, so I've not done anything to this wig. And also the lace on the wig is a 6 by 4.5 lace closure wig, which basically means it's 6 inches across and then it's 4.5 going this way. This is what it looks like. I've just applied my foundation to help the lace match my skin tone, and the lace looks very good. I've not used anything and the wig fits very snug on my head. I think I'm gonna go for a middle part, so I'm just gonna redefine my part and then we can go from there. And this is the hair in its natural state. I did wash the hair and then I left it to air dry. So I'm just going to go in with my hot comb at the top. Honestly, this wig does not require for you to do too much to it, and this is just to show you that you can wear this wig absolutely glueless. You don't need to glue it down. This is it, it's not glued down, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my bed head spray. So this is what the lace looks like. It looks really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my melt band just to melt the lace in properly. So yeah, this is the finished look and this is what the wig looks like. So like I said, this wig is from Nadula Hair and this is their wear and go wig. And honestly, this wig makes so much sense. It's definitely beginner friendly. Like, you don't have to do anything to this wig. And I like the fact that it's very easy to work with. It's a closure wig. So you guys know closure wigs are literally the best. So like I said, this is their Jerry curly wig and it's their wear and go wig. There's not really much to do to this wig aside from just install the wig and you're good to go. I think this wig is definitely perfect for summer as well, for those days where you just can't be bothered to do anything to your hair. So it's 150 density, and I just, listen guys, the hair is so soft and it's so fluffy as well, so there's no tangling, there's no shedding. Even when I co-washed the hair, it was just very easy to work with. I didn't need to detangle the hair or anything like that. And I'm really impressed with the lace as well. So this is what the lace looks like, and it came free plucked like I said. So I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.